So I make money online every single day, not just from one stream of income, from multiple streams of income. Let me show you what that looks like. Now here's just one of my accounts. I'm passively kind of promoting this as an affiliate. If you guys don't know what affiliate marketing is, you're at the right channel, because I'm going to show you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing on this channel. But as you can see, I'm awaiting about $500 pending here. I have a lifetime earnings of about $1,000. I just started promoting this not too long ago. It's working really, really well. And this is a great product. I'm really happy promoting it. And so you can see I'm just kind of passively like promoting this kind of stuff in the background, and that's what you want to do. You want to set up an affiliate business where you are promoting things passively. So people are just clicking on things because they like your stuff, they like your content, they like to follow you, etc., etc. My main business has made over $100,000 in the last 3 months, but even if I was to turn that off, I have multiple streams of income just paying the bills, just being able to get by. That's exactly what you want to do, so that you can have time freedom, so you can get back to your family and you can do things that are really important, not working at a job, not working at a brick and mortar business or something, breaking your back. You don't want to do that. Now, let's get into the video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do this for yourself, step by step, right here in 2022. Now, let's go. But first, if it's your first time on this channel, my name is the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now let's get into it. Now what most gurus will tell you is they'll tell you to go ahead and set up ads, so that you can kind of make money from home. Well, not even. You won't even have to work all that much. Setting up ads is nothing but checking in on your ad account once or twice a week, making sure that the money that you're bringing in is more than the money that you're putting out. That's literally all ads is, and that's all you ever have to do with ads. Now, that's easier said than done. You're probably sitting there thinking, oh my God, that sounds really amazing. But it also sounds like, what's the catch? It probably sounds like, how do you actually set this kind of stuff up? Well, let's go over to this website that most gurus will tell you to go to. I don't always recommend these sites, but sometimes you can find gems in these sites. Your JVZoo, your ClickBank, your Warrior Plus, your Digistore24, all that stuff. Most of the stuff on those sites, I'm going to be honest with you, are really spammy and scammy, and you don't really want to try to promote them, because they attract some of the worst people you can imagine, and they never have any money, and it's really hard to actually promote those things and make money. All right, so that being said, if you do occasionally find a gem, number one, what you want to look at is you want to look at these. Now, this is the average commission that you're going to make. It's a 1997 product. You'll make about $500. Here's the 1997 again. You'll make about $1,500 on average. That's what you want. You want high ticket commissions. I'm telling you 100,000%. I've done low ticket, I've done high ticket. To me, high ticket is anything above $500, and I promise you, high ticket is always 100 times easier, 100,000 billion times easier than low ticket. You could screw up an ad campaign, and you could set it up and like hardly know what you're doing, and you will probably make a profit on high ticket, just because the margin of error is super high. Okay, like you have the capability of making $878 on this product here. I didn't look at the product yet, but just imagine if you pump in, like, say $400 into an ad campaign, which normally that would be a lot. Normally, if you're promoting low ticket stuff, it's like, wow, that's too much. But just think, you're making $800, almost $900 on the back end. So you have plenty of room to make mistakes and screw up and all that good stuff. So I always say high ticket, 100%. Now, what's going to make this a hell of a lot easier, and what's going to make it so that if you set this up properly the first time right out of the gate, you're going to be making profits, I can guarantee you that. Let's get into that. I'm going to show you my super secret ninja strategy. But before I do that, I want you to make sure that if you're getting value from this video, hit the thumbs up button underneath this video and tell YouTube that this is awesome stuff and you want to see more of this, and you want other people to see more of this. Let's get these gurus out of the waters. Let's push them out by hitting the thumbs up button, because they're not telling you this stuff. They're telling you to run ads, but they're not telling you this super secret ninja stuff that I'm about to show you here. Now let's go. Now, here's the thing. You're probably saying to yourself, infamous Joel, I've run ads before. I've tried this affiliate marketing thing. I've done organic. I've done free traffic. I've done paid traffic. I've done Facebook ads. I've done all kinds of ads. I've set them up. I've bought courses. I did it step by step, exactly like the gurus told me, and it still didn't work. Where here's what you were more than likely missing, okay? more than likely, ads are just ads. They're just content. They're just pieces of messaging and paperwork and pictures and videos and something you wrote out and something, something, something. Okay. It's just a thing. Okay. And then you put money behind it. And that means that more eyeballs see that thing that you've created. That it's not magic. Okay. Just because you force people to see your thing doesn't make it so that they're forced to now buy your thing. Okay. So here's what you absolutely need to know about running ads. Okay. There are different types of audiences. Audiences, not keywords. Behind keywords, everybody's so used to this robotic stuff. They're so used to like set up your keyword things, and like as long as you set up your ad campaign properly and you have the right keywords, that everything's just gonna matter. No, behind the keywords is actual human beings and people with credit cards who want to buy stuff, but you need to be able to entice them to buy. So number one, we have problem aware. Okay, we'll have over here a little people. Okay, we have problem aware audience and we have solution aware audience. Okay, and this is something that we go over down below in the description in the affiliate franchise for our clients who are running ads. We teach them this concept of problem aware versus solution aware. Now, what does this mean? Now, this is super high level secret ninja sauce I'm giving you. What does this mean? It means that on one side, let's say you're promoting a weight loss product. On one side, if you're shooting that ad to a problem aware audience, they are not aware of the solutions, meaning the different products, the different services, the different gyms they could sign up to, the different diets. Maybe they know one or two, but they're not super solution aware. They're problem aware. All they're aware of is that they're fat, and that all they're aware of is that they're not feeling super energetic when they climb up the stairs. They just know that there's a problem. They're lethargic. They sleep too much. They know that there is a problem. That's all they know. Okay, so if you shove a product in their face, you can't just put the messaging on there like you're gonna burn 30 pounds of fat in 2 seconds, because they're very skeptical, right? They're the most skeptical audience. They're all the way at the beginning of their journey. All they know is, man, I don't feel so great. I'm kind of fat. Do they realize how big that problem is? Probably not. They're probably not even looking at different solutions yet. They're just kind of going in their day-to-day life, still eating McDonald's. They don't think about it as a big deal. So your ad needs to capture the problem-aware audience and exacerbate, big word, exacerbate that problem. It needs to make that problem bigger in their mind so that they take action and take the next step. It's a whole different kind of ad that you would put in front of them. Also, I'll put here, this is the big audience. Okay, this is the holy grail. If you can capture the problem aware audience, your product or service, the thing that you're promoting as an affiliate, has enormous growth potential, right? But that ad, right, that whole system, that whole machine is a little bit harder to dial in. Of course, okay, the bigger the payoff, the harder you're going to work to do market research, to figure out, how do we put this message and position it in front of them to make them want to take action, to make them do this, to make them do that. Okay, it's harder, it's more advanced, and that's where the problem lies. Okay, what most affiliate marketers do is they just start buying ads, start pushing a bunch of people to a product's page, and they don't know, is this audience problem aware or are they solution aware? They don't really care. They don't really care, and they don't really put a message in front of them that's going to make them take action respectively. You can't put the same message in front of a problem aware audience as you would in front of a solution aware audience. Now, this audience, this solution aware audience, they've already tried things. They're already further, let's make this like a journey. They're already further down the line. Down here, they're like educated. Okay, they've already tried gyms, they've tried different pills, they've tried different doctor recommendations, they've tried different diets, they've tried all kinds of stuff, exercises, TV infomercials. They've been trying to lose weight for a long time. They're very, very aware of all of the solutions out there. So guess what's going to happen if you put yet another diet, another pill, another exercise, another thing in front of them to try? They're going to say, no, right? They've already tried everything you can possibly put in front of them, period, point blank. So you as an affiliate marketer, again, have to do a lot of research, have to figure out if you're going after this audience, if you're going after the audience that's already in the market, already bought things, already tried a million things, you have to do some research and say, okay, how do I make this product or service, this thing that I'm promoting, sound unique? That's the key word. I'm going to make it real big right here. Unique. Okay. And this is why it's so important to pick the right product. Okay, a lot of gurus will skip over this step. They'll just say, yeah, just go on ClickBank and pick any old thing. That's why I don't like ClickBank, because a lot of stuff on ClickBank is oversaturated. A lot of it is really cheesy, really scammy, and really terrible. And so, and not to tell you that don't go on ClickBank at all. Occasionally, there might be like a golden gem in there. Occasionally, there might be like something really good to promote. But most of the time, it's hard, especially if you're a beginner, to figure out which one is which. Okay, so you're probably better off doing some other tactics to find affiliate products and services. We help you inside the affiliate franchise. Link down below in the description. Shameless plug. But okay, so that's the other thing, is that you need to pick the right product and service. If you pick the wrong one and you don't know, is this product or service good for a problem aware audience or a solution aware audience, I will say the solution aware audience is usually easier. It's usually easier to create a unique niche, a unique kind of carve out a unique spot in a marketplace than it is to create something so powerful that the masses, right, the problem aware audience that they just know they have a problem, the masses buy into. Okay, that one's a little bit harder. Okay, so your message has to be amazing. Solution aware is usually easier. It's usually the best place to start. It's usually a smaller audience, so your ad campaigns and stuff will exhaust and stop making money at some point, and you have to go back to the drawing board and either promote something else or do some more research and switch up your messaging and your marketing. Okay, but anything can be promoted. It's going to help a lot more if you promote something that's really, really powerful and really good. Okay, I'm going to give you an example. So say if I was to tell you, okay, here's two cars. I want you to promote one or the other. I want you to promote this like busted, beat up Ford Pinto 1975. I don't know, whatever. Pick a year. But like, go promote this thing. Go sell it. Go to every neighborhood across America and try to sell this thing for $40,000. Okay, this is what you need to do. Go out there and tell people this Ford Pinto is $40,000. I'm not a car guy. Maybe that is a $40,000 car. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. But let's just say it's beat up, dirty, disgusting, and it stinks. Okay, you're trying to sell that thing. On the other hand, let's say I tell you, go to those same neighborhoods and sell this like Ford 911 brand new out the box, off the boat. It's amazing. 0 to 60 in 10 seconds, or no, 1 second. 10 seconds is slow. But okay, so that's what you want to do. You want to think of the thing you're promoting. If I'm selling this Pinto for 40,000 or this Porsche for 40,000, which one is going to be easier for me to promote? Most beginners don't know the difference. They pick any old product, they just plug it into any ad campaign. It doesn't bring any money back, or they barely break even. They say, what happened? You have to find a product or service that stands out in the marketplace if it's a solution aware audience, or it calls to people like the general populace of people, and it's a problem aware product. And those are really hard to figure out which one is which. If you're a beginner, you don't know what to promote. It's not as easy as pick a niche, pick a product, push it out there. There's a lot of gurus that say, okay, go out there and like sell my things. That legendary marketer, it's so flooded. The marketplace is so flooded with more legendary marketer stuff. Not to throw any just specific name out there. Great product. Problem is, there's so many people promoting it that how are you actually legitimately going to stand out if you're a beginner? What makes your promotion different than the other guy's promotion? Okay, so that's what we help you do. One of the things we help you do inside the affiliate franchise is make your unique ad campaign, is to make you stand out, to make you, whether it's a problem aware audience or a solution aware audience, make them say yes. You have to make your offer a no-brainer. You have to make the thing you're promoting completely amazing and different and new and spectacular. That's a very important decision. If you can't do those things, goodbye that dream of setting up passive income online. It's just 1,000 times harder. All right, so that being said, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Watch this video over here. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.